Wake up, Bob! Today is the big day!
Oh no, where are my shoes?
They're right there, silly! Come on, Bob! The bus stop is over there!
Wait for me, I'm not as fast as you.
Hurry up, slow turtle!
Which bus do we need, Betty?
Bus number 10! It's coming now!
Are you sure? This sign says 12.
Bus number 10!
Wait, where is my bus pass?
It's right there, Bob! Let's sit here, Bob! Window seat for me!
Oh, sorry, this is not my seat.
Bob, your seat is next to me. Look, Bob! So many people are going to the match.
I'm a little tired already.
No sleeping. We're almost there. Wow, look at all the flags and jerseys.
Wait, are we close to the stadium?
Yes, Bob. Very close now. We're here! Look at that big stadium!
Wow, it's huge!
Come on, Bob. Let's go inside. So many people. This is exciting.
It's very crowded, Betty. Stay close to me.
Don't worry, I've got you. Here are our tickets, Bob.
Oh no, where is mine?
Right here, silly. Let's go in. Whee! How much is this jersey, please?
It's $20, ma'am.
We'll take two, one for Bob, too. I love it. It fits perfectly.
Help! My arm is stuck!
Hold still, Bob. There you go. Something smells delicious.
Oops, I'm very hungry.
I'm very hungry. Me too. Let's get hot dogs. 2 hot dogs, please.
Sure. Anything to drink?
2 sodas too,
2
please.
sodas too, please.
Got it. Let's sit over there.
Oops, I dropped the napkins.
Don't worry, Bob. Just pick them up. This hot dog is so good.
Oops, I have mustard on my beard.
You always make a mess, Bob. Our seats are in section 105.
Let's go. I don't want to miss the start.
Follow me, Bob. This way. I can see the field, Bob. Hurry.
So bright. I can hear the crowd.
Come on. We're almost there. Wow! Look at all these people.
This is incredible, Betty.
I told you it would be amazing. Seat 14 and 15. Here we are.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me.
Sit down, Bob. The game is starting soon. Look, the players are warming up.
Wait, everything looks blurry.
Turn the little wheel, Bob. Stand up, Bob. The anthem is starting.
Oh, right. This is an important moment.
Yes, it is. Let's enjoy it. Here we go. The game is starting.
Finally! Let's go, team!
Yes! Kick the ball. Goal! We scored!
Yes! Yes! What a fantastic goal!
I'm so happy, Bob. High five! Great goal, right?
Yes! Amazing goal!
Whoa! Almost got it!
Time to stretch my legs.
Oh, my knees! I'm not so young anymore.
Come on, old man. Let's walk around. Let's get some popcorn, Bob.
I want ice cream. Which flavor is good?
Vanilla is our best seller.
Hurry, Bob. The second half is starting.
Wait! My ice cream is melting!
Eat it fast, then. Let's go. Okay, here we go again.
I'm ready. Let's watch closely.
Come on, team. Don't stop now. So close.
Oh no, it hit the post!
Phew. That was scary.
That yellow card means he must leave the game.
No, Bob. Yellow card means be careful.
Oh, I always get that wrong.
Say it with me. Let's go, team!
Let's go, team!
Let's go, team.
What a save! Amazing!
Whoa, my hat!
Catch it, Bob! Get ready, Bob. Here it comes.
Wait, is it my turn now?
You missed it again, Bob. Shh, watch closely, Bob.
This could be a goal.
Come on. Goal! Another goal! Yes!
We did it! Incredible!
2-0. We're winning! Phew, that was close.
Great defense. Well done.
I almost couldn't watch. When I feel like this, I say, I'm nervous. And now, I say,
I'm relieved. I'm so relieved.
look, Bob, that's called a substitution.
So a new player comes in?
Yes, the tired player rests now. He's so fast!
Unbelievable!
Pass it now! Oh, so close, unlucky.
So close!
That was almost a goal. Next time. Don't worry, Bob, try again.
You're right. They can still score.
That's the spirit. Stay positive. Almost time, Bob. Stay calm.
I can't watch. So nervous.
Just a few more minutes. We won! We won, Bob!
Yes! What a victory!
Best day ever! What a wonderful match today.
I have confetti everywhere.
It looks good on you, Bob. Let's take a photo with the mascot.
Say cheese.
Bob, you blinked again. There's the bus stop, Bob.
I found my pass already.
Look at you. Great job. What a perfect day, Bob.
Yes, I'm tired, but so happy.
Me too. I'll never forget this. Time to go home, Bob.
I remembered it this time.
Look how pretty this snow globe is.
It's beautiful. A perfect souvenir.
A perfect souvenir for a perfect day. Bob, wake up. You're snoring. You're snoring.
Huh? I wasn't sleeping.
Sure you weren't, sleepyhead. Let's stop here for some tea, Bob.
Good idea. I need a warm drink.
Me too. Let's go inside. 1 milk tea, please.
And for you, sir?
Green tea for me, please.
This tea is so warm and nice.
Yes, it's very relaxing.
A perfect end to a perfect day. These tomatoes look fresh.
These bananas smell sweet too.
Let's buy some for home. How much for everything, please? That's $8, ma'am.
Great! Fresh food for tomorrow.
What an amazing day, Bob.
The best day ever. Good night, Betty.
Good night, Bob. See you tomorrow.